Hello students, now we are going to discuss diagonal method to find out square of a number. Okay? Diagonal method to find out square of a number. ओके तो इस मेथड को समझने के लिए हम एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं, उस एग्जांपल के थ्रू समझने की कोशिश करेंगे. ठीक है, वी विल फाइंड आउट स्क्वायर ऑफ 34. इन दिस नंबर देयर आर टू डिजिट, सो वी मेक अ टेबल containing 2:2 यानी 4 पार्ट. ठीक है, एक टेबल हम फॉर्म करेंगे जिसमें 2 रो और 2 कॉलम होंगे. ओके, नाउ 34 we write 3 here and 4 here and write 3 here and 4 here. We place 34 in row and 34 in column. Now make 2 part in each box. Okay. Now by applying multiplication from 3 to 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. So put 0 here and 9 here. Now multiply 3 to 4, 3 4s are 12. So 1 here and 2 here. In the same way, we multiply 3 to 4 to 3, that is 12. So 1 here and 2 here. Now 4 4s are 16. So place 1 here and 6 here. Okay, now add the number diagonally. So the first diagonal is this, the second diagonal is this, the third diagonal is this, and the fourth diagonal. So in first diagonal we have 6 only, so write 6 here. Okay, and circle it. Now add digits in the second diagonal, and these are 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, that is 5. So write 5 here and circle it. Now add digits in the third diagonal, and digits are 1 plus 9 plus 1, that is 11. That is 11. We circle the unit digit and add tens digit in the fourth column, fourth diagonal, and the fourth diagonal only 3 is here. Only 3 is here. So no, in the fourth diagonal only 0 is here, and we add 0 to 1, we get 1. So 1, 1, 5 and 6. 1, 1, 5, 6 is our required result. So the square of 34 is 1156. ठीक है, repeat it again. We want to find out the square of 34. In 34 there are 2 digits, so 2 is to 4, 2 is to 2, that is 4. So we make 4 boxes here. Now place 3 and 4 in vertically column and horizontal also. we place 3 and 4 horizontally and vertically. Now apply 3 is to 3 9. Put 0 here and 9 here. 3 4 are 12. 1 here and 2 here. Now 4 3 are 12. 1 here and 2 here. Now 4 4 are 16. 1 and 6. ठीक है? Now adding diagonally. In first diagonal only 6. So write here and circle it. In the second diagonal here 2 1 and 2. By adding these we get 5. So only one digit. So mark circle here. Now in the third diagonal 1 9 and 1, that is 11. So unit digit is circle here and 1 is added in the fourth diagonal. And in fourth diagonal there are only 0. So when 1 added with 0 we get 1. We mark 1 here, 1 here, 5 here and 6 here. Write all the digits together. We get 1156, that is square of 34. So this is our required value. So in this way you can find the square of any two digit number by using diagonal method. Okay, thank you.